Indulge in the deliciousness of Turkish coffee ice cream. Easy recipe. Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you how to make a delicious and unique dessert that you're sure to love. We're talking about Turkish coffee ice cream, a perfect combination of rich and creamy ice cream with the strong and aromatic taste of Turkish coffee. If you're a coffee lover, this is definitely a recipe you don't want to miss. So, let's get started. To make Turkish coffee ice cream, you'll need the following ingredients. 2 cups heavy cream. 1 cup whole milk. 3/4 cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoons Turkish coffee. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions. In a saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar. Heat the mixture over medium heat until the sugar is completely dissolved. Add the Turkish coffee to the mixture and stir well. Let the mixture simmer for 10 to 15 minutes to allow the coffee to infuse into the cream. Remove the saucepan from heat and let it cool for a few minutes. Once it's cool enough, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve to remove any coffee grounds. Stir in the vanilla extract and transfer the mixture to an ice cream maker. Follow the manufacturer's instructions to churn the ice cream until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Transfer the ice cream to a freezer-safe container and freeze for at least 4 hours or until it's firm. And there you have it. A delicious and unique dessert that's sure to impress your friends and family. Thanks for watching our video on how to make Turkish coffee ice cream. We hope you enjoyed it and give this recipe a try at home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting recipes and leave a comment down below letting us know what you think. Until next time, happy cooking! Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.